Auxiliary belt drives are utilized in every modern engine. They transfer the rotary motion of the crankshaft to the auxiliary systems, energy that in turn enables them to function. Belt drive components are therefore an essential part of every engine. Without them, auxiliary systems such as the electrics, air conditioning, and engine cooling system would not work. The top surface of Febi belts is made of durable EPDM rubber. The polyester fabric layer ensures high tensile strength and stability. It is safely embedded in the cushion compound made of high-adhesive polychloroprene rubber. This polychloroprene rubber-based compound ensures that the belt can reliably withstand the forces generated by transferring large amounts of power. Auxiliary belt tensioners are tasked with ensuring the belt is kept under a constant level of tension under all operating conditions. Keeping the belt correctly tensioned stops slippage and vibration, preventing premature wear and the fatigue of the entire system. Febi has the technical know-how and expertise to offer finely engineered wear parts that are required for safely executed, professional repairs on all auxiliary belt drive systems found in modern engines. Auxiliary belts, tensioner assemblies, idler pulleys, and tensioner pulleys as single parts, and auxiliary belt kits as a professional and economical repair solution. Powering your systems. Auxiliary belt drive.